In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make convert photo into frames in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take any photo you're working with and quickly turn it into a frame design using Canva's built-in frame maker tool. First, open your design in Canva. This could be any project you're working on, like a social media post, a presentation, or a poster. Make sure you're on the main editor screen where you can see your canvas in the center and the toolbar on the left-hand side. On that left toolbar, look for the option labeled Apps. It's usually toward the bottom of the panel. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its extra tools and integrations that can help you enhance your designs. Once the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in Frame Maker. Be sure to spell it correctly so Canva can find the right app for you. After typing it in, wait a second for the search results to appear. In the list of results, you should now see an option called Frame Maker. This is the tool we're going to use to convert your photos into frames. Click on Frame Maker to open it. If this is your first time using it, it may take a moment to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. When the Frame Maker window opens, you might see a short description explaining what it does, and possibly some sample previews of framed images. Look for the main button or option that says Frame Maker again within that window, and click on it to proceed. This step confirms that you want to use this tool in your current design. Now you'll be taken to the part of the app where you can actually convert your photo. You should see a button labeled Convert. Before you click it, make sure you have the correct photo selected on your canvas if the tool requires a selection. Then go ahead and click Convert. Canva will now process your image and automatically apply a frame style to it. Once it's done, you'll see your photo turned into a framed element on your design. From here, you can resize it, move it around, or combine it with text and other graphics to finish your layout.